Science Protocol, ninth victory element of the day.
Super Manitoba, I am Abu from 9th victory. Today's element of the day is silicon. Silicon is a chemical element with the symbol of Si and atomic number is 14. It is a hard metal crystalline solid with a blue-gray metallic cluster under tetrahedron metalloid. Thank you.
Eighth triumph, scientific concept of the day.
Super morning to you all. I am Dil Johana from class 8 rank. Super morning to all. I am Shri Ashni from the same class. Today we are going to perform about momentum. Mass of a wood was low, so even it has velocity, but the momentum was not that much because it has less mass. When I used iron rod, the mass was too high with greater velocity, so momentum was increased with the transfer in wooden stick. Materials required are cutting blade, a stone and a wooden stick. Now she is placing the wooden rod on the stone and beating the stone with the rod. The stone is not breaking. Then she is keeping the cutting blade on the stone and she is giving pressure to the cutting blade. The stone broke. Thank you.
Students, from this activity, the momentum is a product of mass and this velocity. When the greater mass always contain greater momentum, lesser mass contain always lesser momentum. Seventh Pacific, scientific instrument of the day.
Super morning to all. I am Harshan from 7th Pacific. This is rheostat. It is a variable resistor. It is used in electrical circuit to control current or resistance. Uses controlling volume increases or decreases in radio. Controlling motor speed. Thank you.
Sixth King David, scientist of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Neeti Tati. I am studying in 16th grade. Scientist of the day. Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking worked on the physics of black hole. He proposed that black hole will emit subatomic particles until they eventually explode.
Fifth APJ Kalam, science formula of the day.
Super morning to all. My name is Ekam. I'm saying 50 Kalam. Formula of the day. Work done is equal to F multiplied F for force, S for displacement. Thank you.
Fourth Europe, scientific word of the day.
Super morning to all. Hi, I am Ashna from 4th Europe. Scientific word of the day. Isothermal means constant temperature. Thank you.
Third diamond, inorganic acid of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Novi. I am studying 3rd standard and this job. Inorganic acid, formula of the day. Boric acid, formula H3BO3. Thank you.
Second chapter, organic acid of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Joseph. I am studying 2nd standard Jupiter. Benzoic acid comes content benzoic acid. Thank you.
First American planet of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Ethan Thielen. I am studying in 1st standard America. Planet of the day. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. It is also called the red planet. Thank you.
UPG penguin, source of vitamin of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Kurulandan. I am studying UKG penguin. Cauliflower contains vitamin C. Thank you.
IPG roses, fruit of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Rosana. Studying roses. Pineapple contains citric acid. Thank you.
Students, allow me to give the big hands. Today, everyone has done their